Anthony Carlos Herrera. Hello. So, bago ako mag-commit ng vows, I just wanna say thank you first. I wanna let you and everyone here to know how grateful I am for your life. When I was younger, oh God, ang consistent prayers ko talaga nun kay Lord is first, maging CPA, which is pinagkaloob naman na niya. And second, if mag-aasawa po ako, Lord, sana yung taong mahal ako. Kasi way back then, back when I was still too childish, too immature, duda talaga ako kung may magkakagusto sa akin. Sa true lang. Kaya dinaan ko na sa prayers. And God has been faithful. After like 15 years. What? Has it been 15 years already? I know. Eto, ikakasal na ako sa taong alam ko and sure ako na mahal ako talaga. Legit.
Thank you sa inyo ni tatay. Sa lahat. Ever since ginusto ko maging CPA para talaga mataas natin yung matulungan ko kayo. And I think I did my part naman. Tsaka kahit anong mangyari, tutulong pa rin ako. Salamat, gagayain ko yung sample nyo parehas ni tatay kung paano nyo ko pinalaki. Love you.
Congratulations, anak. I love you.
Thank you. I love you too, Mami.
Eto na, parang pawis na pawis, kinakabahan. Pero, magiging misis na ako soon. Yung bukas ng door ba yun o ng curtain, siya yung una kong makikita. And gusto ko lang din makita yung reaction niya for today. I'm looking forward kung masaya ba siya, may iyak ba siya.
Naalala ko mga time na tinatanong mo ko kung bakit kita mahal. At may mga time din na pabiro ang mga sagot ko kasi gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Pero the real reason na mahal kita bukod sa ganda ka, sexy ka, matalino ka, mabait ka, understanding ka, is you made my life complete.
Heart, thank you for making me feel that I am your priority every day. I feel your love every day. You're not only a boyfriend to me, but you're also my friend, my jester, my nutritionist, my Santa Claus, my #1 fan and kaaway at the same time, my confidant, my forever partner, and my heart. You are basically a little bit of everything rolled into one just for me. And with you, it feels like everything is falling into the right places. I feel safe and I couldn't ask for more.
The strength in your eyes, the color.
Well, mas good siya kaysa kahapon kasi kahapon kabado 20 talaga ako na sasabog yung vulkan pero ngayon mukhang hindi naman. Kasal namin September 20, ito na talaga yung feeling ko. So, walang makakahadlang kahit sumapog si Taal. Thank you, Lord, for this day!
And tell me that we belong together. Dress it up.
Uy, Sarah! Yung kaya ako agad ako. And Kelly!
Heartache that hang from above. And I'll be
I promise you to care for you and protect you. Poprotektahan kita kahit may zombie apocalypse pa. I promise to comfort you and encourage you whenever you are feeling down. Pinapangako ko din na hindi ko makakalimutan ang ating anniversary para hindi ka magalit at di mo kawain. Here's something for you. to remind you that I love you every second. See you later. Thank you, Heart. Really appreciate it. Maganda. Maserati brand. Saka supercar.
I am very lucky to have you. I love you. Ang sweet. Ang sweet.
Sa tuwing gigising ako sa umaga, nagiging buo na agad ang araw ko. Knowing na meron akong Iris sa buhay ko. You have made me the happiest man in the world by agreeing to share your life with me, and I will love you for all eternity.
Pinaramdam mo kay Iris kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng makakasama sa buhay. Ipinakita mo sa kanya kung ano ang kahulugan ng isang masayang relationship. Diba? Hindi kanya bibigyan ng isang makakasama kung hindi ka magiging masaya panghabang buhay. Binigyan kanya ng makakasama dahil hindi tayo perpekto dito sa mundong ito. Binigyan kanya ng mga kasama dahil gusto niya na magkaroon tayo ng gabay patungo sa isang magandang buhay. Yun ang inyong mga hiniling at ito ay pinakinggan.